This is the combined open and closed loop test of the project. Now connecting. Now running. So setting set points to 1500. As you can see, it's gone up to 500 to 1500. We'll send this. So it's set to 1500. RPM is lower. We'll set it up a bit. Very noisy sensor, but open loop is working. It's set to a value over 2400. Maybe 2400. So open loop is working. I'll bring it down. I'll go over to 3000. The motor is warm. TCRT 5000 sensor is noisy. As you can see, the green light is steady. The STM32 is working, and that's what's working. Bring it down to 1000. It's around 3000 RPM. Bring it down again. 800. Around 3000. It stays around there from 500 to 3000. Now it's stop. Now switching to the other code, which runs the closed loop better. Motor on, code running. Now, closed loop should work. Leave it to 1000, say. Closed loop, PI, starting. There's the response. As you can see, the pulse width modulation is the inverse nearly of the RPM, showing a PI control. tuning. Bring it back down to bring it up, slowly rising. So let me see, 8. They're reacting. Bring PI down. PI down further. Running again. Maybe turn the tuning, maybe turn this to 3 and this to 0.05. As you can see, less is more. You can see the inverse is happening with the pulse width modulation as to the RPM. You're still reacting to the inaccuracies of the RPM. The TCRT5000 sensor is very inaccurate. It's a very noisy sensor. As you can see, the pulsing pulse width modulation is seen here in the green light or LED. It's reactive, but maybe can tune it further. 3. So less integral action. Say to 1. Nice and smooth. Only for the RPM it's jumpy. Take down proportional value. Maybe take it up. Let's just say set point will be 1500. RPM is close. Taking off KI value. It is smoother. So as you see, closed loop system is working, only on a different code. The other code is the open loop system and is working as well. So that's both tests for this project. The speed controller for a DC motor, C227-18249 barrel Sweeney. At 1000 set points, everything balances out. I'm now testing at the simulated value on a 1000 step input on the motor. It seems to be very stable, only for the noisy sensor. As you can see, it runs fairly well without disturbance. There's your problem. Although it is running at RPM generally around 1000, which is the set point, the KP value is 0.00001, KI value is 0.005, and the KD value is 0. That's my project. I don't think the code and the Python are reactive to the KP proportional value to that limit, but was reactive to the proportional or to the integral value KI of that limit. So it was basically integral controller, unlike the simulation.